Today we're checking out our new collapsible wagon cart. It has rugged wheels, can hold up to 330 pounds, and has been perfect for around the farm. And this collapsible wagon cart comes shipped to your door, ready to lug around your stuff as well. Inside the box, you have your user manual, 4 all-terrain wheels that feel extra durable, a strong inner support pad, and then your folded up wagon. To get started, unstrap the wagon and stretch it out. Flip the wagon over and then push in the 4 wheels. Flip the wagon over again and put the support pad inside to hold the wagon shape. Then pull the fabric pockets over the brackets. Tie down your pocket, and like that, your wagon is set up and ready to go. On one side of the wagon, you have a zipper pocket as well as 2 mesh pockets. On the other side, you have 2 water bottle holders. Then it has an expandable handle that's easy to adjust. It's also a no-fall handle, so it'll hold its position and be there when you need it. 2 of the wheels have locks on them, so you can add some extra stability to the cart. Then there's also a button on the sides that you can press to eject the wheels and reposition them. I wanted to give the cart a proper test, so I loaded it up with my chickens. And that didn't work out too well. So I tried putting in my dogs to see if they'd go for a ride. And they weren't too impressed either. So I waited until I actually needed it. And it wasn't long until I needed to get some more chicken food, wood shavings, cat litter, and more. So instead of taking multiple trips to the barn and having to carry all this, I was easily able to roll it over to the barn. The all-terrain wheels rolled through the grass and went up and over the ledge into our barn easily as well. And I was able to get the chickens their food. I also wheeled it through my hiking trails to collect rocks for a waterfall that I'm working on. I got hot, so I put my jacket inside the side pocket and took off. The all-terrain wheels went over the rough ground well, and I was able to move a lot of rocks. It made transporting the rocks so much easier. Then when I got to my waterfall, I locked the wheels so it wouldn't roll down the hill. And even with all that weight, the locks held the cart in place. Too cool. So I unloaded the rocks and took the cart back. And that's when I realized my favorite feature. This cart turns on a dime. You can almost do a 360 without moving your place at all. It's also going to come in handy for our garden next season. It's proven to be really useful. I like that it can collapse down and be compact, and I love how much weight it can tow. It's so durable. And I'm partial to the red color. It looks pretty sleek. Overall, I'm really impressed with this wagon cart, and have no complaints. So if you're looking for a nice rugged cart to lug around your stuff as well, this cart from OVERMONT might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go finish working on my waterfall. See ya.